Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And now for our word of the week. Our word of the week is demure. Demure is someone who is reserved, modest, or shy in behavior or appearance. They have a quiet dignity or an understated elegance. Generally speaking, when we say the word demure, because we use words like elegant or reserved or modest, we usually think of them as being female in nature. They don't have to be, but usually the word demure is associated more with female characteristics. Some of the synonyms or the same meanings as demure could be bashful, meek, or timid. Some antonyms or opposites could be bold, brazen, or flamboyant. Lots of times, demure women could be thinking of someone like Jacqueline Kennedy, have an understated elegance. A sample sentence: despite her demure appearance, Claire had a sharp wit and strong opinions that surprised everyone once she spoke. All right, so that is our word of the week: demure, reserved, modest, or shy in behavior or appearance. All right, if you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next